Hey everyone, it's 1 o'clock at night and making this video especially for the newcomers because many of you do not know when to exit, what should be your stop loss. If you enter a trade and things are going on the opposite side, you have no idea what to do. So this video is for you and also for the experienced trader because this is very important. You need to know your stop loss, how to set up, when there is a dip, how to enter, when there is a breakout, how to enter at the same time. If there is a nice trend, how you can play. Okay, so please watch this video, it's very important for you. First of all, you need to have a plan. When you enter a trade, you need to know when to enter, when to exit, what is your profit target. It is more important to know what is your exit price compared to your entry price or profit target. You need to have a good risk management. Okay, if you do not have any risk management, your account will blow up. You have to protect your capital. You should have some kind of rule. Okay, if I'm down 20 bucks per trade, I'm out. If I'm down 5%, I'm out. So maybe you are wrong in 2-3 trades, 5% out, maybe you lose 10-15%, but you can have a big winner, 30% up, then end of the day you are a winner. So cut your loss early, maximize your profit. The next thing, you should have a stop loss if you are doing any kind of trade trading. The stop loss could be in terms of dollar. If I'm down $30, in terms, it could be in terms of 5%, 10%, even it could be something else, right? Without a stop loss, you shouldn't enter any day trading. Okay, so I don't want to hear anything, I'm down 50%, what should I do? If you have a stop loss, you should be out by 5%, 10%, whatever. The next thing is the indicator. You should have some kind of indicator. Normally I use indicator something like Ripstar Cloud with the EMA Cloud, right? Okay, I'm going to connect here. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I'm in here again. Okay, so you need to have some EMA Cloud, VWAP, RSI settings. If you want, I can talk about the indicator. If you want, you can arrange a one-to-one paid call with me. I can also connect with you and screen share and show you how to do those kind of things. Anyway, so I want to talk about how to read the chart and how to enter. First of all, deep entry. Okay, so as an example, CMND. Today our thing was if it dips 5.4 is our deep entry. So let's look at the chart. And if I just look here, right, so once the market opened, it went to 6.4, 6.8, but we know there is a deep entry at 5.4, the blue line. So how I want to enter, I want to enter at 5.4. I want to enter with 100 share. My profit target is around 6.4 and my stop loss, let's say I do not want to lose more than $10. I put $10, right? So if you want, you can set $15, $20. If I put $10, it will be my stop price at 5.3. If you want, you can say okay, 5.2, and that will be your stop loss, $20, you will be out. So this is TradingView. So I can connect with IBKR platform, but each broker has this kind of setup where you can have your stop loss setup. Okay, so if this is my plan and I want to put the order in, so see, so many notifications. See here how my order is looking like. You like it, right? So if this is working, you can also adjust here. So see what's happening. When the price will come at the blue line 5.4, I will buy 100 share. If I'm wrong, if it comes to 5.2, I exit the trade at $15 loss. But if I'm right, it goes to 6.4, I sell at 6.4, my profit will be $100. Profit 100 versus losing potential of $15. See the ratio. Okay, you always need to have a good ratio. Profit should be higher and your risk should be lower. If the trade is working, at one point it came to 6.4, I'm out, I made some money. Not necessarily you have to wait till 6.4. Sometimes you see it goes up and comes down, you can sell at 5.9, but this is how you should enter when things are coming down. Okay, so I want to cancel this and I want to show you another trade, which is breakout entry. Okay, so I'm going back to ALT chart, and if you look at the chart here, ALT, it has some kind of resistance right at 5.4, right? and our plan is to have a breakout entry. And when I say breakout entry, this is what we want. We want to break this, come back and support, means that the resistance has become a new support. This is what we call breakout entry. In that case, how you enter, you go there, you want to enter at 5.4. We could be wrong, so that's okay. We want to take profit at $6, so I put $6 here. And my stop loss, if I'm wrong, if it breaks 5.4, I want to get out, let's say 5.2. So I just said 5.2. Then you click the button, you send the order, see how it looks. Okay, so $20 my risk. If I'm wrong, I lose $20. If I'm right, I gain $60. If you want, you can always adjust these bars. Okay, you can go up, you can go down, so you can easily drag, right? If you want to lose only $10, keep it like this. Okay, so that's how you should go your breakout entry. Now the other thing is about the trend. Sometimes you don't see a pullback or something. Maybe a good example, yesterday, if you remember, I had an alert on this particular one. So see the trend ALT, it was on an uptrend. See, there is no pullback or nothing. In that case, you can always enter as long it is bouncing over the blue line. You play this. Whenever it breaks the blue line, you get out. You see it breaks the blue line, you get out. Or instead of a trend line, if you see the stock is bouncing over this blue, not blue, is the green EMA cloud, then yeah, you just take it. As long it is holding the EMA line, you take it. And if you're down, just get out. So have a stop loss, have a trade plan. You can be wrong. If you're wrong, you are wrong for 5%, $10, that's it. But you shouldn't be down 50%, 60%. You shouldn't be complaining, right? Please plan your trade, have a stop loss. I'm not saying you have to have a stop loss for each and everything, but have a stop loss, please. Okay, let me know if I'm confusing things. It's 1:22 at night, but just making this video for you. Take care. Bye.